More twists and turns are being seen in the case with regard to the Kannada film star couple. Police investigation has revealed that the actor Darshan, along with wife Pavitra, visited the victim on the day of the murder. Investigators believe that the victim, now deceased, Renukaswamy, was beaten up also at the actor's residence. There are more leads and links that are directly coming to the star couple. The victim was allegedly belted repeatedly by Darshan himself. The popular Kannada star then appears to have given about 30 lakh rupees to cover up the matter. The star couple have been taken to the crime scene to analyze further what exactly happened, because the man eventually appears to have been thrashed to death. Now there are some screenshots that have emerged of an alleged conversation between the deceased and Pavitra that have surfaced. That he created a fake account and started to text her, and a lot of inappropriate lewd messages allegedly were also sent. Anaga Keshav joins me for the latest on that. Anaga, there was earlier just a murder link, but now it's murder, mystery, money, a lot of factors coming in. You tell me, how precisely are the investigators heading with this? Because it is, after all, about a popular actor, a well-known person.
Well, Pooja, as we've been mentioning, Darshan isn't just an actor. He is somebody with strong political contacts. He's somebody who is as influential as any other politician. So he isn't somebody that we can really, take for granted or, just be laid back thinking that the law will take its own course. He is somebody who is very influential. And remember, he's also the same Darshan who paid 30 lakhs to his gang in order to cover up the case and take the blame on them, essentially trying to wash his hands off using the power of money. That's the Darshan that we're talking about. And we're also being told by the police sources that today the investigation and the interrogation will go on, just like how it did yesterday. Darshan was given 7 days of police custody by the court, out of which 2 days have already passed. Now today as well, both Darshan and Pavitra Gowda will be interrogated. Pavitra Gowda is the A1 in this case and Darshan is the A2. Grilling is on, but yesterday when we spoke to the Home Minister, he said, let there be no doubt, law will take its own course of action. It's the same for you or me or for Darshan. The police will take the case forward, is what the Home Minister said. But what's more chilling is that the more and more, this case is getting interrogated, the murkier the details are. We need to wait and watch what other factors are there beneath what really meets the eye.
To look that these are not just allegations that there is a murder link, but he himself in many ways appears to have been involved. But of course there will have to be evidence in this case that the cops will have to put forth. Anaga, I want to thank you for now, but for the viewer, what precisely is this case in Karnataka? How has a star couple got caught in it? Now, one of the victims here, who's deceased now, Renukaswamy, was kidnapped by some men at about 11 a.m. on the 8th of June. This individual was repeatedly beaten up by some men, but with an intent to impress the star couple and to impress Darshan. Had he employed them? Had he told them? Or they just wanted to beat him up to impress him? Darshan and Pavitra, according to investigation details coming in, visited the area on the day of the murder where this individual, Renukaswamy, was living. And that it is believed that Darshan himself was also beating and targeting this man with a belt repeatedly, and then also threw him against the wall. Whether he did it or there were men known to him with him who threw him against the wall, hit him repeatedly in the actor's presence. This, remember, is not just about a second or a third link. He himself appears to be allegedly have been present at the cases. We are told that after he left, the perpetrators or men known to the actor continued to beat Renukaswamy repeatedly. According to the investigation details, digital evidence and further the analysis of the evidence that has come in, 5:30 p.m. the star couple leave that location. The victim is known to have died around 6:30 p.m., just an hour later. And then comes in the money factor. That appears that 30 lakh rupees were given by the accused to manage the situation, basically to cover up the murder or his name, till his name eventually surfaced. Take a look at this report about how this is about murder, mystery, money.
More challenges for the challenging star of Sandalwood. Twists and turns in Bengaluru murder mystery. Sources reveal spine-chilling details of the gruesome Renukaswamy murder case. Kannada actor Darshan Tugudeepa and his wife Pavitra Gowda were allegedly at the crime scene for 30 minutes on June 8. Sources allege Renuka Swamy was brutally thrashed before Darshan arrived at the spot. Darshan allegedly whipped Renuka Swamy with a belt, according to sources. After Darshan left, the perpetrators allegedly thrashed Renuka Swamy to death. Source claimed Darshan gave 30 lakh rupees in cash to dispose the victim's body, which was dumped in a drain. A sum of 5 lakh rupees and legal assistance were also allegedly offered to the suspects to surrender and take the blame for the murder. India Today has accessed CCTV images showing a red SUV owned by the actor at the murder spot. But what led to this horrifying murder? Sources tell India Today that the victim made lewd remarks on Pavitra's social media post. And it was Pavitra who allegedly instigated Darshan to punish Renuka Swamy. Bengaluru police has arrested Darshan and his wife Pavitra Gowda for their role in Renuka Swamy's murder. Bureau Report, India Today.